My trip to Visakhapatnam. Describing a place is the writing task given. This was our train, Hyderabad Deccan, which runs from Nampalli to Visakhapatnam. The train started exactly at 5 pm and reached Secunderabad by 5:30 pm. After 12 and a half hours long journey, we reached Visakhapatnam by 5:30 am the next morning. You know, the famous Ramakrishna beach is only 15 minutes away from the railway station. This is my first glimpse of the Ramakrishna beach, but there was another attraction which pulled me towards it initially. Opposite the Ramakrishna beach, there was Kali Mata temple. The foundation of the temple was originally a skeletal structure made of bamboo. The Kali temple stands apart primarily because of its modernized engineering brilliance that is breathtakingly beautiful. Tall pillars, domes, and minarets welcome you into this temple as you set foot into its premises. Visakhapatnam, also called as Vizag or Voltaire, is known as the beach city for a reason. It has alluring beaches attracting hundreds of visitors every day. RK Beach gets its name from the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram situated near the beach. With its serene waters and cool atmosphere, the beach offers a wonderful view. Listen to the serene music created by the wonderful waves of Bay of Bengal waters dancing towards the tourists who are enjoying their day at the Ramakrishna beach. The visitors are enjoying their day to their heart's content. Look at the smiles on their faces and how they are greeting us. Teasing and playing with the advancing and receding waves is like a game in itself. The foam of the sea waters on the beach is the cynosure of all eyes. It's beyond my measure to describe how it felt like when the sea waters kissed my feet and ran away back into the sea. The roar of the sea waves is like a beautifully composed symphony. What do you say? This is Tenneti Park, where a Bangladeshi cargo vessel which came to Visakhapatnam port ran aground near the Tenneti Park in Visakhapatnam. Now is the time to visit the famous Kailasagiri Park in Vizag. Kailasagiri is situated on a hilltop and it is very popular as a picnic spot for all the tourists visiting the beautiful city of Vizag. The train ride gives us the beautiful panoramic view of the seaside and also the city of Vizag that we would cherish for a lifetime. The magnificent landscapes leaves us astounding and in wonderment. We must agree that Kailasagiri is a picturesque hill overlooking the tranquil sea. And you know what? I learned from the locals of the area that one can buy some space in the sea and the fish caught from that space will be the earnings of that person who bought the space in the sea. Interesting, isn't it? This hilltop derived its name from the giant Lord Siva Parvati statue, which is one of the major attractions of the park. There are several amazing viewpoints developed all around the hilltop which give us the panoramic view of the sea waters and the beautiful beaches of Vizag, the city of beaches. It is one of the prominent hilltop parks with panoramic sea view on the east coast. Actually, I am falling short of words to describe the tranquility and the magnificence of this place. This viewpoint is so breathtakingly beautiful that the tourists who come to this place seem to have a reason not to leave this place and keep watching the beauty again and again, clicking pictures and making memories. If you like this video,
like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for notifications of Classroom TV.